finding the right mini excavator for your needs. Choosing the perfect mini excavator can be overwhelming. Let's break it down step by step to help you find the right one. Key questions to ask. What will you use it for? How much space do you have? And what's your budget? Are you digging trenches, landscaping, or lifting heavy loads? Your purpose will guide the right choice. How much room do you have to work with? Mini excavators are compact, but knowing your available space is key. How much can you afford to spend? Factor in the purchase price, maintenance, and any extra attachments you may need. Focus on digging depth, operating weight, and engine power to match the right machine to your job. Make sure the excavator can reach the depth and distance required for your project. The weight of the excavator affects its stability. Heavier models lift more but need a solid surface to operate. Choose a machine with enough engine power to operate the attachments you'll use for the job. Let's dive into the features that make a mini excavator perform its best. The rate of oil delivery impacts the speed and power of your excavator's attachments. Important for efficient work. Select a machine that can handle multiple attachments for versatility, from buckets to augers. Comfort is key. Choose an excavator with an ergonomic cab to keep the operator productive and safe. Now let's talk about where to find a dealer for your new mini excavator. Use online directories to locate trusted mini excavator dealers in your area. Many dealers are active on social media. Check out their profiles for deals, reviews, and more. Visit your local rental companies for possible sales or to get recommendations on where to buy. Once you've found your machine, here's how to get the most out of it. Regular maintenance keeps your mini excavator running smoothly and extends its lifespan. Choose the correct attachments for each job and be mindful of safety risks to ensure maximum productivity.